Hello everyone, welcome to Sanny's Escape, and thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time, thank you, and if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for your continued support. In this video, I visited the Martha Brae River, which is located in Trelawny, and I did the river rafting. Stay tuned, you guys. Okay guys, so this right here is the main entrance. This is where you enter to go and pay your fee and get your band. There's also changing rooms, which you will see shortly after this. And shortly after you'll be assigned river captain or raft captain as they call them, and you'll be on your way.
Bamboo them to make the raft.
Yeah.
So you realize the work consistently going here. So meanwhile the raft are right now, them are building one. You see that?
Oh, them have like this.
What?
That's beautiful. Miss Martha's herb garden, you guys. Alright, I'm gonna go change and then head on out. Okay guys, so this was the start to one of the most relaxing days in my entire life. It was unbelievable. The views, the sounds, it's just so magical. You know what? I'm gonna let you guys see for yourself, but I just had to say how relaxed I was at this spot. It was amazing. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's relaxing so far.
More quiet and peaceful.
Yeah.
You can do a lot of video. Later on, and that you mentioned like the bowl.
Okay.
You can sit and sit your legs and take photos for you, no problem.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Yeah.
Once in a season. Also the star up.
Okay.
Breadfruit, hot water on the stove, banana, the jam, pumpkin, flour. Handmade wall, stone wall, built by the British Indian back in the century. You know what?
Wow. Okay, so before you guys cast judgment, just know that I had no idea what I was doing. And I low-key was like, all right, I know that I look so dumb right now, but it was definitely fun to learn something new. And if I go back again, which I know I'll go back a bunch of times, I will definitely become a pro. Oh. Mm-hmm. The water is so pretty.
I want you to go in it and take a swim.
Yeah, yeah,
so
I know.
Get it better, you know. You know, go at the pool at the hotel, go at the beach.
Mm-hmm.
Joking. Better water.
Yeah. So pretty. Alright. Oh, this is pretty. Hello.
Hello, baby.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. Yeah, man, lady, you're welcome. This is a shell stop bar, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you can look around. If you see anything you like, then the captain will stop for you.
Okay.
We got souvenir, we got beer, we got coconut water.
Oh, nice. They're beautiful. A N N Y S, and then the next word, escape. E S C A P E. That's it. Nice. Beautiful. Mm. Oh wow. Yeah. So beautiful. Just look at this, you guys. Just wow. Rafting on the Martha Brae is not responsible for the loss or damage of personal items such as camera, wallet, handbag, money, contents of any bag, or any other personal items that may fall into the river, regardless of the reason. We're therefore recommended that all these items be removed from your person before boarding the raft.
Not fully back, you know.
So, put it back in.
Kind of did.
Yeah, you can't go down to this. I'm okay.
Cut him now.
Put it back up.
Yeah. Watch out.
Oh, I'm gone.
Hold him. You can't do it.
Vijay, come. Catch it, come. You go use back your shrimp, see bait now.
Come, you, come. They go look piece and try.
Go use back your bait, catch
I'm
something.
going to cut off all of that.
Yeah, cut off it.
Okay guys, as you can tell, I had a very relaxing experience. I had fun. It was amazing. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And also check us out on Instagram at Sanny's Escape Jamaica. Until next time, more sooner or later, walk good. Thank you for your support. Bye.